welcome to the podcast. Today we are talking about how to become an entrepreneur. Hi, I'm Mia. I'm entrepreneur. I have been running my own business for over 10 years. I'm here to share some tips and how to get started. Great. Thanks for being here. So, what are you some the most important things to keep in mind when starting a business? Well, I think the first thing you need to do is come up with a great idea. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? What problem can you solve once you have an idea? You need to do your research and make sure there's a market for it. That's great advice. And what about funding? How do you go about getting in the money you need to start a business? There are a few different ways to get funding. You can save up your own money. You can borrow from friends or family, or you can look for investor. There are a number of government programs that offer loans and grants to small business. Okay, so you have an idea and you have the funding. What's the next? The next step is the path to gather a business plan. This is will outline your goals for the business, your strategies for achieving goal, and your financial project. A well-written business plan is essential for attracting investor and getting your business off the ground. That sounds like a lot of the work. It is, but it's worth it. A good business, a plan will help you and stay on track and make sure your business is successful. So, these are a few tips on how to become an entrepreneur. But before we go, I want to ask you one more question. What advice would you give to someone who just starting out? My advice is to just do it. Don't be afraid to take risks and don't give up. Starting a business is hard work, but is also incredibly then rewarding. Thanks for great advice and thank you for joining us today. It was my pleasure. Thank you for listening the podcast.